Hi, just a quick reminder that Pilates Camp starts August 1st, 2020. That's 7 days of Pilates workouts sent straight to your inbox. So you can get a program going, feel good, gain energy and strength. Sign up is below. Hi, so today we're going to talk about the benefits of Pilates. I am guessing someone along the line has told you need to try Pilates, whether it's a doctor, a friend, a family member. You've probably been told that you need to try Pilates, and now you're here to find out why. So I'm going to give you my opinion as a physical therapist and Pilates teacher, the 3 biggest benefits of a Pilates program. Keep in mind, yes, you will tone your muscles. Yes, you will get stronger. Yes, you can lose weight, but those aren't, in my opinion, the biggest benefits. So the first biggest benefit to a Pilates program is what we call core strength. So you've probably heard that term, but I'm going to expound on that a little bit because to me, Pilates is a lot more than your core and your abdominal muscles. When we say, or at least when I say core strength and how it's a benefit of Pilates, I mean that Pilates is going to work your entire body. So as a physical therapist, that's really beneficial because I will get a client who says that they have knee pain, and I won't just look at the knee because I know from years of experience that it typically is coming from something else, either hip imbalances or something going on in the foot. So Pilates is awesome because it allows me this entire system to look at the whole body and work the whole body. So when you do Pilates exercises or a Pilates program, you're not just working the knee, you are working the entire body and how it comes together to actually cause health. So how does that relate to core strength? Well, really, if you think about it, your core is the entire center of your body. I consider it really from diaphragm down to your pelvic floor, your front, your back, and even your hips. So everything I do in Pilates will engage and work all of that. So again, I can do a knee program if someone has knee pain. I can do a shoulder program if someone has shoulder pain. I can do a back program if somebody has back pain. But I am actually at the same time working this entire center system to help that person decrease pain and improve kind of their quality of life going forward. Okay, so that's the first biggest benefit. The second one is balance. And let me tell you what I mean by that. Pilates helps me to balance the person's body. Because to me as a physical therapist, when I see an issue in the body, the biggest thing I typically see is that things are imbalanced. Either we're leaning to one side or another. We have something that's stronger or not working the way it should, and something else comes in to compensate, right? So we need to really balance the body in many different ways, and Pilates is awesome for doing that. So when someone comes in, maybe with this kind of posture, I know I'm exaggerating, but many of you on your phones or on your computer or driving all day, this might look familiar. So we might be like this. So what happens? We become imbalanced. These muscles in the front get really tight. The muscles in the back get really loose and weak. The muscles at the top of my neck here in the back get tight and I get those tension headaches. So Pilates really allows me to help people get back to this place of balance and homeostasis in the body, which is where our body is the happiest. What that can do then is help with actual true balance, the idea of not falling and being able to catch ourselves. So it helps with that. It helps a ton with posture. So that idea of being able to find alignment in our bodies. And it also helps us be more efficient in movement. So that is the idea of our muscles using the exact amount of energy that we need to create a movement. So we're not using too little and we're not using too much. A lot of times we are using way too much energy to do a certain motion, and we want to dial that back so that it feels easy. That's what I want. I want things to feel that they have ease to them when I'm showing someone how to have kind of that lifelong health in their body. I want them to feel empowered and to feel strong. And there's more than just being able to lift a lot of weight for that. It's the idea of having that balance in the body, body awareness, so that movement, even when it's a new movement, feels very doable. Okay. So the last piece to all of this is that Pilates, the third biggest benefit, Pilates really helps you be better at whatever else you want to do. Because of those other things I talked about, because we are balancing the body, we are giving you body awareness, we're teaching you how to move without pain, we are strengthening the things that might be weak and lengthening the things that might be too tight. Because of all of those things, Pilates really will then allow you to be better and stronger at whatever else you want to do. So that might be professional basketball. That might be playing with your grandkids on the floor. It might be gardening. It might be standing in your kitchen all day while you bake. It might be sitting at your computer at your job. Maybe it's running your first marathon. Whatever it is, it should and does help you feel more confident and more able to do those things. I find for myself, for example, I tried yoga for the first time years and years and years and years ago, and I didn't like it at all. I didn't get it. I wasn't good at it. It didn't feel good. I did Pilates for 5 years and finally was able to actually enjoy and do yoga because I felt controlled and strong in my body. Same with running. If you guys know my story with prolapse and hysterectomy, I had to stop running for years. I had surgery 9 months ago, and because of my background, my Pilates practice, me being confident, feeling balanced, all the things that I need in my body, I feel confident finally to start a slow running program again. I wouldn't feel that way. I wouldn't be able to prevent injury if it wasn't for me having that foundation of Pilates. So those are the 3 biggest benefits, in my opinion, again, as a physical therapist and Pilates teacher, those are the 3 biggest benefits of Pilates. Yes, you're going to tone your muscles. Yes, all of those wonderful things will happen too, but that's just icing on the cake. I want you to feel strong, feel empowered, feel confident. I want you to have less pain. I want you to be able to move without pain. And I want you to do it in a way that you can continue this going forward. And that is what Pilates will do for you. I have many, many Pilates workouts and programs here. You can always see the link below for my unlimited program. That's somewhere if you do have injuries or issues, that's a really nice place to go because we have a lot of workouts for various injuries and issues so that you can do it safely. All right, I will see you soon. Thanks so much for stopping by. Remember, subscribe to my channel and you'll be notified every time a new video comes up. Like and comment on this video and let me know what you thought. You could also always come over to jessicavalantpilates.com to find all the resources I have for living a healthy lifestyle, including full-length workout videos, healthy recipes, and a community I would love for you to be a part of. So I'll see you there.